So, good morning, Miss. I am Rosemary Dania, and I would like to show you my website using WordPress. So, this is my homepage. So, this is where you can see the welcome to Rosemary's clothing line, the quotes, and then there is a button, the shop now button. And if you scroll down, you can see picture and then the quotes from CEO, and then the next page button. So if you click the next page button, you'll proceed to the about us. So in my about us page, you can see the about info, or you can read the about info of my website, and then next page you'll be forwarded to products. So this is my products. So the dress, I mean the t-shirt, the skirt, and you can click the photos if you'd like to view the picture. So next. So yeah, that's it. And then close. So there is a next page button, and if you click that, you'll be forwarded to contacts. So this is where you can contact the admin. So I would like to try name Rose, email, the message you would like to send. So submit, and then here. So that's it, Miss. Thank you.